I'm here with Jackie of the Mexican Food Dudes. Jackie, tell us what you do here.
We do traditional Mexican food, more than the burrito. We have tostadas, enchiladas, pambazos, chilaquiles, tacos dorados, street tacos, that it's a version of the taquerias in Mexico City. So we're more focused on traditional Mexican food. All the food and all the salsas are made from scratch. So
Lovely. Sounds lovely and fresh. Where are you from yourself?
Mexico City.
And you're a cook, obviously.
Yes, I am.
And is this all your own recipes or traditional Mexican recipes?
Traditional Mexican recipes, but with my own
Your own touch. Lovely.
my own touch.
Oh, lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Pleasure.
I'm here with Stefan from Lobster Co. Hi, Stefan. How are you doing?
Yeah, very good.
It's your first time in Ireland?
Yes, first time, yes, and very enjoy.
Yeah, you're enjoying it here?
Yes.
Grant. Tell us a little bit what you do.
We all do a lobster and seafood. That is a lobster roll. So we mixed, we do our recipe, not original recipe like in Canada. We do a new recipe and French style.
So you mainly do seafood. What other dishes do you do?
We do swordfish, seafood, octopus. We do with different ways. So lobster, so burger, wraps, salad, chili, everything.
Lovely. Somebody told me you did crocodile. Is that
Yes, we do crocodile meat like in toasty. So croque monsieur in French. So crocodile.
I have had croque monsieur, but I didn't realize it was real crocodile.
No, but we do. It's our recipe.
No, I know what you mean. I'm just kidding. So whereabouts are you from?
France.
From France.
Yes, but we move all time with the truck. So we work in Paris, but in Belgium, in Luxembourg, everywhere.
Oh, all right, that's brilliant. Listen, thank you very much, Stefan, for talking to us, and best of luck at the festival. Thank you.